Arthritis pain. Try these ideas for fighting back. Arthritis comes in many different forms. Learning how to deal with your particular type of arthritis is very important to being able to avoid flare-ups and the pain that comes along with them. Read on to learn some tips and tricks for prevention and management of your arthritis symptoms. You need to relax and get rid of what causes your stress if you want to manage arthritis. Chronic stress causes your body to release chemicals like cortisol, which increases inflammation and arthritis pain. You need to brush up on managing time and exercising to deal with stress and anxiety. Drink a little wine. While some people will tell you that people who suffer from arthritis should never drink, studies have shown this to be an unfounded concern. Light drinkers do not have any excess issues with their arthritis, and red wine may actually help to prevent damaging inflammation from cropping up. For arthritis sufferers, you may want to consider yucca as a natural treatment. It is a proven medical fact that the extract from yucca helps to ease the pain of arthritis. You can buy yucca at most grocery stores, or get the extract from stores that sell vitamins and supplements. Learn as much as you can about your condition if you have arthritis. The old adage that knowledge is power is especially true in this case. The more you learn about your form of arthritis and its treatments, the better chance you have of living a full and active life in spite of your condition. There are over 100 different types of arthritis, all of which have items to focus on particular to that specific type. Talk to your doctor and other arthritis sufferers to learn more about dealing with your condition. Take these tips to start with and set yourself on a path to healing. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.